This lesson will focus on calculating the area of a sector from the broad general education. A sector is a part of a circle. Think of a sector as a slice of cake. The sector will always be attached to the centre of the circle. To calculate the area of a sector, we use a formula. Area of sector divided by pi r squared is equal to angle at centre divided by 360. Example 1. Calculate the area of the sector.
In example 1, we're looking to calculate the area of the sector given. Now the area of the sector, just remember that's like a piece of cake or a slice of pizza. That is a fraction of the whole entire area of the circle, which we know as pi r squared. And from our previous examples on the arc, we should know that the angle at the centre is a fraction of the angle all the way around the circle, which is 360 degrees. I've just called it A of S, area of sector for short, so let's go ahead with that. We've got A of S over pi multiplied by a radius, which we were given as 40 squared. That is equal to the angle, which is 74, divided by the full circle, which we know is 360. Just with our previous examples, down the bottom of this fraction, it must be dividing, so the opposite operation from dividing is multiplying. I'm going to draw in my arrow. So I've got A of S is equal to 74 over 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by 40 squared. So area of sector, let's take a calculator. So fraction button, 74 over 360. And I will, multiply that by pi. And then I will multiply it by 40 squared. That will give me an answer of 1033.234. It just continues on. I will round that, so area of sector will be 1033.23, and it's an area, so it will be square metres.
Example 2. Calculate the area of the major sector.
In example 2, we're looking to calculate the area of the major sector. So the word major means that the angle at the centre has to be bigger than 180 degrees. Minor, less than 180, major, bigger than 180. If we take our formula here, we'll substitute in. So area of sector divided by, and it will be pi multiplied by 4 squared, because our radius is 4. And that will be equal to the angle at the centre, which is 210, divided by 360. Just remember, this fraction is equal to this fraction here. So we'll put this inside of a bracket. Pi multiplied by 4 squared is down the bottom of the fraction, so it's the denominator, so it's dividing. Over to the other side, we'll do the opposite operation, so it will multiply. Area of sector is equal to, so we've got our 210 over 360 multiplied by pi multiplied by 4 squared. So the area of sector equals, let's substitute this in. I'll then multiply that by pi and I'll multiply by 4 squared. Putting all that in, that's going to give me an answer of 29.321, and it will just keep on going. So let's round our answer. Area of sector is equal to 29.32, and my units will be square metres.